These light and buttery blueberry scones are bursting with juicy berries. Follow this simple recipe to bake golden, tender scones that pair perfectly with a cup of tea or coffee. We start by adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour to a bowl. Then we add the salt, baking powder, and the sugar. Then we add cold butter, and using a pastry cutter, we cut the butter into the flour. Once the flour resembles coarse meal, it's done. We are going to take a little bowl and break 1 egg and whisk it with a fork. Then we are going to add the egg to our flour mixture, and also we are going to add the milk and start mixing the flour together with the milk and the egg until it's all incorporated. Do not overmix, just until all the flour has been moistened and forms into a dough. Then we are going to add the berries. If you're using frozen berries, do not thaw them, use them frozen and add it to your dough. And then using your hand, mix everything together. This has become one of my favorite recipes. It's fast, easy, and makes delicious scones. Now we are going to remove our dough to a well-floured surface and form it into a disc about 8 inches in diameter and 1 inch in thickness. Once we finish shaping it, then we are going to place it on a parchment paper lined baking sheet. Flour the board generously to prevent the dough from breaking when transferring it into the baking sheet. And then using a sharp knife, we are going to cut it into wedges. Cut first in half and then across again in half, and then each section cut into 3. So you are going to end up with 12 wedges. We are going to finish our scone with an egg wash. To break an egg into a bowl, whisk it with a splash of milk until it becomes frothy. Then using a silicone brush, we are going to brush the top of our scones. And then bake it in preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes or until top gets golden brown. Once removed from the oven, let it cool slightly, then while still warm, separate them into wedges. Then let them cool slightly before eating them. They are full of goodness, blueberries, or you can make this using Saskatoon berries. Equally delicious. I really hope you are going to give this recipe a try, and if you liked my recipe, leave me a comment, and also remember to share and to like and to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.